DJM TV.
Sabi country people, una welcome to DJM Daily Tori. My name na Stanley Okocha. Na me wan yarn una the ogbonge tori when don shele for inside we obodo Naija for this time. The tori wey we get this time go concern one Benson Obode when e be say im matter don dey for court since 2015 sake of say dey kpai am. The Edo State High Court for Benin today don yarn say make dem kpai one former Naija police constable when the police don chase comot from the Naija police force by hanging sake of say im join some other police person when join am together go kpai one Benson Obode and come thief im 330,000 from im bank aza. The police former constable when im name be Joseph Omotosho when be the member of the former special anti-robbery squad when everybody know as SARS before for Lagos State Police Command, join hand with the other members of the special anti-robbery squad when their name be Corporal Adeleke Adedejo, Abena John, Oniyo Musa and Musa Shobowale to do the crime for May 21, 2015. Since then, all of them be don dey inside jete sake of say the matter e dey for court since that 2015. For the judgment today, the court judge come find all the former police special anti-robbery squad members guilty and come here and say make them kpai all of them by hanging. According to check, Benson Obode when he be 26 years when the matter happen for that 2015, dey im house gingerly dey think and plan how im go take make im life better when the police people just come break im door, enter house and kpake am comot on that date when be 21 of May 2015. For that same day when they kpake am comot from im house, so tori come begin dey fly up and down say the former SARS officers don kpai am after they don give am serious drilling for inside their police station. Check come still show say the former police people use force collect im ATM card and pin from the late Benson Obode and they come go im bank aza from where they come begin collect gbogiri when e dey inside the bank aza. The money wey they come collect come be 330,000 naira from inside Benson Obode bank aza for inside 4 days when e be say dem take kpai am so. And check come still talk say for the money wey they come leave for inside Benson Obode aza come be 1,754 naira 15 kobo. For that time, the former police public relations officer for the Lagos State Command when im name be Kenneth Nwosu be yarn say the matter na matter when e concern gadabit, say na only to rescue Benson Obode na im the police SARS officers take go there. Say but as dem rescue am finish, dem dey run dey carry am go for hospital. Na inside there they come observe say Benson Obode e don kpai. So e come still yarn that time say na inside there the police people come use their brain come carry Benson Obode body go put for or inside hospital freezer for inside Benin City. Im come yarn join say the police dey do check for the matter for that time, as e be say the police still dey wait for doctor check when oyibo dey call autopsy for the body. But when the family of Benson Bode come find the body for inside Central Hospital freezer for Benin, they come observe say na one Corporal Oniya Musa na im come put the body for inside the hospital freezer, and come still lie say the person name when im put inside the hospital freezer na Agu instead of Bensi Obode. Inside the matter so, hospital check come show say Bensi Obode kpai from the wunjure when e be say e go affect im heart and the kidney and even the lung side sef, sake of the kind drilling when e be say the former police SARS people give am for inside their police station. Inside the matter so, the Edo State government don begin dey pursue the other runaway police people when e concern for the Bensi Obode matter, sake of say all of them run as dem see say the EndSARS riot come dey take place, sake of say the people when dey do the riot that time dey go different jete go dey make sure say they open the door and bring the people wey dey inside the jete come out. So the Edo State government now don come out say sake of the judgment when e be say the High Court don give for Benin today, dem don release their special police people to make sure say they find all these runaway police people so wherever they hide, make sure say dem bring them come out and make sure say yes, no one of them escape the judgment when e be say the Edo State High Court judge don give today, when e be say make them kpai all of them by hanging. Country people, na here our tori for. We wan thank una for all the time when be say una don take dey follow us, dey watch all our tori as we dey knack dem come out. Until next time when we go come una way again with another ogbonge tori wey go don dey shele, we wan beg una make una like, comment and also subscribe to our social media handles so that una go continue dey get our tori anytime dem come out. Until next time we go come una way again, my name na Stanley Okocha for DJM TV. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.